A car windshield sunshade reduces heat, protects interior, prevents UV damage, and improves driving comfort. My today's video is about top 5 best car windshield sunshade that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at EcoNour Car Windshield Sunshade. The EcoNour Windshield Sunshade is a practical and reliable solution for keeping your car cool and protected. Made from durable 240T polyester, it effectively blocks harsh UV rays, helping preserve your dashboard and upholstery while reducing interior heat. This makes a noticeable difference, especially during hot days. Its reinforced overlapping design is a standout feature, providing a snug fit for windshields up to 64 by 32 inches. The extra coverage ensures better sun protection compared to standard shades. It's also incredibly easy to use. Just pop it open, place it, and fold it back into the included pouch when not needed. The build quality feels sturdy and long-lasting, even under extreme temperatures. With multiple size options available, it's easy to find the right fit for your vehicle. Overall, it's a simple yet effective accessory that enhances comfort and protects your car's interior. Now our second product is Singaro Car Windshield Sunshade. This windshield sunshade offers excellent protection against heat and harmful UV rays, making it a must-have for hot weather. Built with durable 300T polyester, it effectively reflects sunlight and keeps your car's interior noticeably cooler while protecting the dashboard and seats from fading and damage. The universal design fits up to 99 of vehicles, and the overlapping structure ensures better edge-to-edge coverage for maximum protection. It's especially suitable for sedans, hatchbacks, and small SUVs. The foldable design makes it very convenient, easy to pop open, install, and store in the included pouch when not in use. Durability is another strong point, as the material holds up well over time, even in intense heat. Overall, it's a simple yet highly effective accessory that improves comfort and extends the life of your car's interior, backed by reliable customer support for peace of mind. Our third product is Nmoiss Car Windshield Sunshade. The Nmoiss Windshield Sunshade umbrella is a smart and modern solution for beating the heat. Its innovative ice crystal cooling material does a great job of reducing interior temperature, making your car noticeably more comfortable even under strong sunlight. The advanced 240T high-density fabric with reflective coating provides excellent UV protection, helping prevent damage to your dashboard and seats. What really sets it apart is the umbrella-style design. Installation and storage are quick and effortless. The upgraded spring structure and military-grade materials add durability while protecting your car's interior from scratches. It feels sturdy and built to last. With multiple size options, it fits most vehicles, ensuring wide compatibility. The thoughtful design and strong performance make it a reliable summer essential. Overall, it's a convenient, durable, and highly effective sunshade that delivers both comfort and protection. Now number 4, Insauto Car Windshield Sunshade. The Insauto Custom Fit Windshield Sunshade is a top-notch accessory for Kia Telluride 2020 to 2025, and other compatible vehicles. Its precise design ensures a snug fit without gaps, sags, or slumping, unlike generic sunshades. The high-quality 210T reflective material effectively blocks up to 99 of UV rays, protecting your dashboard, seats, and steering wheel from heat damage and fading while keeping your car interior cooler. Installation is simple, thanks to the Velcro fastening and reinforced steel ring, eliminating the need for suction cups. Its foldable design makes storage effortless. Just tuck it into the included storage bag and keep it in a door pocket, rear seat, or trunk. The sunshade provides superior insulation and heat reflection, ensuring a comfortable driving experience even on scorching days. Durable, easy to use, and tailored for a perfect fit, the Insauto Sunshade combines convenience, protection, and quality, making it an essential car accessory for safeguarding your vehicle's interior. And our last choice is Aokdom Car Windshield Sunshade. The 2026 Windshield Sunshade is a well-designed upgrade for keeping your car cool and protected. Made from high-density 300T Oxford cloth, it effectively blocks sunlight and heat, providing a comfortable interior even during scorching summer days. This material upgrade surpasses traditional silver-coated sunshades, offering better insulation and durability. The sunshade protects your dashboard, seats, and other interior components from heat damage while reducing the discomfort of entering a hot car. It comes in 4 size options, from medium to XXL, ensuring a snug fit for compact cars, SUVs, and small trucks. Ordering is straightforward, and the manufacturer provides assistance if you're unsure about size. Installation is quick and hassle-free, either by slipping it behind the visor or using the car's existing sunshades. The memory steel ring allows easy folding into an 8 shape for compact storage in the included bag. Practical, durable, and user-friendly, this sunshade is an essential accessory for summer comfort and interior protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.